Hey guys, just a really quick pro tip. This is a pro tip. If you're, we've talked about, when you're replacing injectors or you got your valve covers off, and talking about the inspection, checking for cracks and that. So we're just having a look in the usual spots. Right, no cracks there, good. Okay, let's have a look over this. But one thing I know, I haven't seen it before, so it's very rare, and that's why we haven't talked about it before. No crack at that end, but see these little sleeves we've talked about before? They should be flush at the top and they protrude through a little bit at the bottom, a couple of millimeters, and that's the space for the valve cover to be spaced away from the head. Now, just notice with this one, for whatever reason, see how it's sticking up like that? And you can't really just easily push that down. You could probably give it a bit of a hit with a hammer and get it down, but for whatever reason it's like that. If you refitted it like that, that could be risky for it to crack the valve cover, because of course, look, when you tighten it up, that might just pull through. You don't know, it might not. If that's stuck pretty badly how it is in the plastic, it might just pull too hard on the plastic and it could crack it. But I don't know, just a little one, just a little warning. If you see those like that, I'll be trying to adjust that so that the top is flush like the rest of them. So that's how they all are. That's standard stuff. And this is going to be like one of the shortest videos, so a lot of people are going to be really happy about that. See, the rest are all nice and flush. If you want to know more information about checking out these valve covers, the cracks, just search our YouTube channel. If you've got our injector kit, don't forget to join the VIP group, because there's a lot more videos you can access and maximum information, and a bit of a bada bing, and showing you how to change those seals in a video somewhere too. This one, no seals. All right guys, that's it. That's a bada bing, bada boom. See ya.